Hello dear nursing students, this is Priyadarshini. I'm proudly presenting on behalf of NNL1 Plan C Plus Platinum English Edition, the exclusive pack which is going to be completely in English language. So this is the highlight of this plan. Like many people has approached me personally, professionally from many streams that when NNL is going to come up with an exclusive English pack, the day has come. Today, I'm proudly launching you your Plan C Plus Platinum English Edition, which is going to be exclusively in English. There is no language barrier in this plan. Let's explore the plan in this video, right? So, as you all know, I said you Plan C Plus English Edition is exclusively in English. What this plan is actually targeting. This plan is not specific, not limiting to NORCET examination, your AIIMS NORCET examination. It is for all if you are the person who is preparing for the nursing competitive examination all over India, pan India, this Plan C Plus English Edition will be your value added plan where you can utilize this plan to give all examination, nursing competitive examination which is happening pan India, right? So basically now we are specifically concentrating on your NORCET 9.0 because the tentative date has been announced. And the most important thing you have to notice, the validity of your Plan C Plus Platinum English Edition is 12 months, which is a very big amount of time, which is going to give you the time for conceptual learning, practice, revision, and so on, right? So this is the importance of this plan. Now in today's video, we are going to explore completely what is inside Plan C Plus English Edition, what is the bonus content, what is the highlights, everything you're going to discuss. And I will be your batch mentor for this Plan C Plus English Edition, conducting all live sessions and frequently interacting with you for scientific and doubt sessions, right? So let's explore the plan. So as I said this plan is not limiting only for your NORCET examination, for any competitive examination. For example, in South, the most common examination which we target, all South Indians used to target JIPMER, right? JIPMER and Puducherry. So once you subscribe with Plan C Plus English Edition, where everything is going to be exclusively in English, so you can concentrate on any competitive examination which is not limiting only for JIPMER or for NORCET. Any examination you can approach, such as NIMANS, ESIC, DSSB. So starting from AIIMS to JIPMER, all the examination you can give once you subscribe this Plan C Plus English Platinum Edition, right? So as I said the validity of the plan is 12 months. As you all know, as of now, in short term, we know that this particular examination is coming. So our target is to achieve this particular examination, to give up this particular examination and get success, right? So first is your NORCET 9.0 will be our initial target for under your Plan C Plus English Edition. So because the tentative date of this examination is announced, as you all know, your NORCET 9.0's tentative date is your September 14th, 2025, right? So now initially, since the tentative date is announced, we are going to target this particular examination with our inclusive plan, right? So next, you're going to explore what is the eligibility criteria for your NORCET examination. As you all know, when you complete your BSc nursing degree, you does not need any kind of clinical or teaching experience to give the examination. You can directly give the examination. But if you are a candidate of diploma in nursing, if you are a candidate of GNM, right, you have to have either 2 years of clinical experience or you have to complete your post-basic BSc nursing to give this examination. The most important thing you have to notice, whomsoever who is completing your BSc nursing degree, GNM or post-basic BSc nursing degree, you have to have an registered nurse and midwife certificate from your Indian Nursing Council. So this is very important to give the examination, and this will be the eligibility criteria for giving this examination, right? So next, we are going to explore what is inside the plan. So what is inside Plan C Plus English Edition? Is there any major difference between English and English Edition? Right, so that you are going to see in this, right? So English Edition is specifically having English videos, like all the lectures which is recorded or the live lectures which I am going to come, everything will be exclusively in English. There will be no other language mismatch in this, right? All the videos are going to be exclusively in English, in the recorded and live form, right? So first is your conceptual classes. As you all know, what is the important point in conceptual classes? The mastermind lectures. The mastermind lectures means the pan-Indian top faculties, top medical and nursing faculties is going to take classes, and they are in the recorded form, which we term it as mastermind lectures. You're going to have 900 plus hours of mastermind lectures under this plan, which is covering all subjects, all important subjects, right? Next we have conceptual practice. How will you know whether you are on the correct track of your preparation journey? It is with the help of the MCQ practice, right? So here we have the planned QB, that is the planned question bank, which is going to be the backbone for your preparation, where it is going to have exclusive MCQs. We are going to have 15,000 plus MCQs under your planned question bank, where you're going to sit and study and practice MCQ, and you're going to analyze where you stand, where your preparation is there, where in which of the areas I'm going to concentrate more, in which of the areas I'm so strengthened. To analyze the strength and weakness, you have to practice MCQs. So in that manner, your plan QB is going to be the important part. Then Plan QB is integrated with monthly test series. We have various test series, which includes your CPAT, CSAT, NNSAT, your grand test. Everything will be there under your Plan QB, which is integrated. Next, we have Super 50. This Super 50 is the power pack of your preparation, where these tests you are going to have as a running element in your revision part, where you're going to analyze yourself, where you stand among all the competitive preparers of your NORCET examination, right? So this Super 50 is going to mimic your actual pattern of your AIIMS NORCET examination, so that you will get the real-time experience of how to approach the examination, how to approach the actual examination. Next, we have conceptual learning. This conceptual learning is integrated with your comprehensive subject assessment test. We have 15 comprehensive subject assessment tests for each and every subjects, and these comprehensive subject assessment test is going to be integrated with the test and discussion videos, right? So that is coming under your conceptual learning. Next, we have conceptual revision. The most important thing is not only theoretical learning, not only theoretical practice of MCQs which you learned from the conceptual learning, you also should have a value added revision series. This value added revision series is your fast track revision series, which is coming under your conceptual revision, where all the high yield important subjects will be revised by our subject experts, by our team of expert faculties. You will be having the recorded lectures of this fast track session before your exam is approaching. When your exam is closer, we will be starting up this session, right? Next, we have the updated content. These are the important new contents which is added to add more value to the pack. We have added updated content from foundations of nursing, from community health nursing, from pharmacology, from pediatrics, and from surgery. Next, we have monthly live dot session. As a batch mentor and the subject expert, I will be coming live with you to have the live scientific query session, where you're going to ask all your scientific queries and I'm going to answer everything in live with you, right? Next, we have National NORCET Skill Assessment Test. As I said, as a part of your grand test Plan QB, this NNSAT will be conducted, where this test is not only limiting for our subscribers, it is conducted all over India, where you're going to analyze yourself among all over Indian audience who is preparing for the NORCET competitive examination, where you actually stand yourself, that you're going to analyze from these tests. Next is concept based video assessment test. We have integrated this new form of test. It is not like you're reading the lectures, you're watching the videos of mastermind faculties, and you're coming directly to the QBank and practicing. To have a close touch towards that mastermind lectures, we have come up with this video assessment test, where the integrated approach from the video to the test will be there. For example, you're watching mastermind lecture of MSN of Dr. Deepak Marwa. If he is telling some of the important points that you have to definitely note in the mastermind video, so what will happen, these particular points you will be having in the form of MCQ under your VAT. So you will be having the close intercorrelation, integrated approach in learning. So that is the importance of this video based assessment test. For example, after watching the video, you are coming up with the VAT, so that you will be having so much understanding and reinforcing of what you learned, and better remembering capacity, right? So next we have this NORCET Summit by Mastermind covering most probable MCQs. Like the probable MCQ discussions will be held by all our subject experts. So that is termed as your NORCET Summit. And we have Chalo Milekar Paden session where we'll be having, when the exam is going to approach, we'll be having a rapid fire revision series. That is our Chalo Milekar Paden session. And next we have one-on-one Margdarshak by Margdarshak session. Here we go. You have to understand one concept, right? Once you subscribe the plan, you start your revision journey, you will be practicing MCQs, you will be learning as per your plan. But who will be guiding you in all the aspects? So this is the new exclusive concept like we have, that is the Margdarshak by Margdarshak session, where the specialized Margdarshaks will be supporting you and guiding you throughout your preparation journey for your examination. Right. So this is all about what is inside the overview. Now we will be detailedly discussing what is actually inside these each components. Right. Please stay tuned with me. So next, the most important thing before approaching any competitive examination is the exam pattern analysis. When you see any kind of nursing competitive examination, they work on the same principle. Like what are the subject which is given more weightage, and what are the subject which is given moderate weightage, and what are the subject which is given minimum weightage. So as per the standard VED analysis, that is your vital, essential and desirable analysis, we have classified the subjects. So this is a standard classification for all the examination, including your NORCET. So if you talk about vital subjects, without completing these subjects, you cannot go for your NORCET examination, right? So what are the vital subjects? That is your obstetrics and gynecology, adult health nursing, which is inclusive of your medicine and surgery, child health nursing, mental health nursing, nursing foundation, community health nursing and pharmacology. So these are the most important high yield subjects which has to be definitely covered before going for any competitive examination. Next we have essential subjects. This essential subjects is also very important but not so important like vital subjects. So which includes your aptitude and reasoning, GK and current affairs, anatomy and physiology and biochemistry and nutrition. Your aptitude and reasoning, GK and current affairs play an important roles in the preliminary examination. That is going to help you out. That is, if you clear the preliminary examination only, you can go for your mains. So this GK, aptitude, current affairs will be having a vital role in your preliminary examination. So that it is coming under your essential concept. Next we have the desirable. So desirable, we have minor subjects which includes your microbiology, nursing research, pathology and genetics and forensic nursing. So now we are going to see what is actually inside all the series. First is your conceptual classes. As I said you, the conceptual classes are exclusively by your mastermind faculties from Pan India, which includes all medical and nursing faculties, who is going to have an extensive knowledge and they're going to share their extensive knowledge in the recorded lecture form to you. And I'm damn sure like nothing out of those things which they teach is going to come in your examination. So all you need to do is concentrately watching these videos and learning maximal from those videos. So first and foremost thing you have to notice, we have 1200 plus hours of recorded lectures of our masterminds exclusively in English. And these videos will be uploaded in the periodic form so that you will not be overpulled with all the content. So once you have to cover the minor subjects and the major subjects, including like connecting one minor subject and one major subject you are learning and coming forward, right? So just like that you have to have a structured approach so that all the content is not available readily to you. Like we will be releasing the content in the periodic manner. For example, the medicine lectures will be uploaded by the next month so that you can able to learn with the proper pacing so that you complete all the subjects completely and come back to the next subject, so on, right? So like that we are periodically going to release all the important updated videos as such, right? And you have 900 plus hours of updated recorded lectures for all subjects and 50% of the all new revised contents, as I said you, in foundation, in community health nursing, in pediatrics, in medicine, in surgery, you're going to have updated contents with the recent updates. So this is all you are going to get in conceptual classes. So what are you going to get in conceptual learning? In conceptual learning, you are going to get 50 plus hours of test and discussion videos. As I said you, we have 15 comprehensive subject assessment tests. Each comprehensive subject assessment test is going to have 100 MCQs. For example, you have anatomy and physiology. You are giving the comprehensive subject assessment test which is consist of 100 MCQs. These 100 MCQs will be set and discussed by our subject experts and mastermind faculties in a very, very scientific manner approaching all the important concepts, integrating into that video. You're going to learn from our experts, right? So each and every MCQs will be solved, and they will be teaching how to solve those MCQs, why this is the correct answer, why these are the distractors, why these answers are incorrect. Everything will be detailedly taught by the mastermind and subject experts in this test and discussion videos. So you'll be having 50 plus hours of test and discussion videos of all subjects. Next, we have 50 plus hours of revision of all subjects. So we have one-liner discussion videos, that is like golden points, which is going to be discussed. Like for each and every subjects, we have high yield golden points, which is going to be also revised by our subject experts and mastermind faculties to get more insight about that particular concept, right? So these are very, very important golden points which you have to definitely read before going for any competitive examination. Next, as I said we have 13 comprehensive subject assessment test covering all high yield important components. Next, what is under conceptual practice? As I said the most important part of your preparation journey is practice. Like, you're not preparing for any kind of theoretical examination, but you're actually preparing for competitive examination, which is going to ask you MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. To approach any multiple choice question in the competitive examination where they're going to ask the question in a different level, in an advanced level, you need to have that cognitive and analytical skill to approach those MCQs. How will you get that cognitive and analytical skill? Obviously by giving and practicing MCQs. So this particular component is very, very important in your preparation journey. So this conceptual practice we are going to explore now. Under Plan QBank, you are going to have 15,000 MCQs, which is not a very less number, which is the maximal number of MCQs you are going to get. Each and every MCQ is curated by our scientific subject experts, and each and every MCQ is going to have the rationale, valid scientific rationale, not only for the correct answer but also for the distractors and incorrect answer. So all the related concepts of that MCQs will be added in the rational part so that it will be your power pack in your preparation journey. Next, we have monthly test series. You have 4,000 plus multiple choice questions which will be released periodically as a monthly test series. The test will be going live under your QB, right? Next, we have evaluation test. First and foremost, we have the CPAT, that is comprehensive pre-assessment test. What is CPAT? Before giving any competitive examination or before even starting the preparation of any competitive examination, this is very important component. You have to analyze where you actually stand, what is my knowledge level, so that only I can able to strategically plan how to study in future. It is not like just like that I'm starting monotonously the preparation. I have to analyze myself where I actually stand, right? So that is the CPAT. You are going to give this CPAT. Once you subscribe the plan, you are going to give this comprehensive pre-assessment test of how you stand or what is your knowledge level, what is your skill level. That will be analyzed in this CPAT. Next, we have 80 plus topic assessment test. 80 topic assessment test, all the videos you're watching, all the mastermind lectures you're watching are integrated with the topic assessment test. So these tests are you can give on the daily basis to analyze yourself. Once you watch pediatric lectures, for the day one you're starting your pediatric lectures, you are going to give the TAT 1 of the pediatrics, so that you will be having the close correlation between what you're studying and what you're practicing and what you're retaining, right? Next, we have 13 plus comprehensive subject assessment test, as I said and 4 comprehensive evaluation test, which is going to integrate multiple subjects together, and you're going to have MCQs of 160 MCQs per paper, right? Which is also going to be conducted at the end of every month. This 4 comprehensive evaluation test is going to cover 640 multiple choice questions, which is also a very good amount of question. Next, at last, the most important highlighting point, as I said we have the Super 50 test series. This Super 50 test series is integrated with your mini test, grand test, monthly test and all important tests. So this is going to be a power pack in your preparation journey. So you have around 4,600 MCQs under your Super 50 test series. Next, what is under conceptual revision? In conceptual revision, this is otherwise termed as the fast track lectures which you are going to get. For Plan C plus English Platinum Edition students, you will be getting the recorded lectures of 200 plus hours by our subject experts and mastermind faculties, so that you will be having a strengthened last minute preparation with this fast track revision videos, right? So these videos will be in a recorded form for you people. Next, we have NORCET Summit, where you have 18 plus hours of Chalo Milekar Padhen sessions, where that is a rapid revision series which is going along with your preparation. Next, we have 18 plus NORCET recall sessions. So what is NORCET recall sessions? As you all know, you're preparing for competitive examination. You have to analyze what is the trend of the examination, how the examination is going, on what topics the question has come to the maximal extent, on what subject the weightage is given more. So this analysis you have to do. If you analyze the question paper, there will be similar concept. For example, in NORCET 7, they will ask about variable deceleration. In NORCET 8, they will ask about late deceleration. So it is very clear that in obstetrics and gynecology, you have to learn about CTG, right? So to analyze these trends, to understand these things, you have to know what is recalled. You have to see the previous year's papers. All the previous year papers are available within this plan, and these previous year papers will be also discussed by our subject experts. That is your 18 plus hours of NORCET recall session. And we have very good important session. As you all know, the importance of image based questions in your NORCET examination and other competitive examination is getting higher day by day. If you take example of NORCET 8.0, the image based questions is getting more and more when comparing to other NORCET examination. So the weightage of IBQs are getting higher. So it is very important to have a special session on it that will be exclusively by our Sabina ma'am, right? Next, as you all know, as a part of your plan, you will be having a study material. It is not only the recorded lectures, practice papers and live classes which is going to happen. You also have an exclusive theory book, a study material, a valid scientific study material in your preparation. That is our real masterstroke. We have in 3 volumes. So these volume 1, 2 and 3 are curated by our mastermind faculties and our subject experts with a maximal tedious work. Like, I'm damn sure like nothing out of this book is going to come in your competitive examination, in your nursing competitive examination. So first, about volume 1. Volume 1 comes in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, which is a theoretical book which is going to have complete theory of all the subjects. Next, we have volume 2, that is the conceptual practice book, that is also come in 2 volumes, which is integrated with clinical based MCQs, image based questions, all form of important multiple choice questions will be integrated inclusively in your volume 2 practice book. Next, volume 3 book, that is the conceptual revision book, which where you have high yield one-liners. High yield important one-liners from all the subjects will be there in this volume 3, right? So what are the new features? As I said you, video assessment test which is integrated with the conceptual classes is available now, so that you will have the close correlation between the video and the test you give. Next, we have 12 plus practice test in the computer based manner. So since all your competitive examinations which is happening including your NORCET, JICMER, everything is computer based test. So you should have a practice before going into the actual examination. So we have 12 plus practice test to give you a complete computer based test which you can give in your computer. Next, we have Margdarshak by Margdarshak session, as I said you, which is going to guide you in all the aspects of your preparation. So meet your Margdarshaks. These Margdarshaks are qualified nursing officers who have cleared the NORCET examination and they are working inside the AIIMS, so that these people will know all your struggles. They can put themselves in your shoes and they can analyze like what you actually feel, what is the struggle you actually face, right? So these people will be more enough to guide you people in this preparation journey. So introducing Arushi, Nidhi, Chanchal and Amit, right? So next, we have additional bonus content. As I said you, it is not only about the recorded lectures. You will be having weekly live sessions, that is in the name of Friday Booster, where I, being your batch mentor, Priyadarshini, will be coming for the live session with all probable MCQ discussion, high yield point discussion, golden point discussion, high yield theoretical concept discussion, inclusive for all the subjects. I will be coming live with you for weekly, for interacting with you and sharing the knowledge, scientific knowledge with you, right? And we also have special sessions by booster sessions by Sabina ma'am, and we have 25 plus simulation based nursing videos. Since the importance of skill test is also getting evolved day by day, it is the weightage of that also is increasing day by day. It is very important to know the key critical skill to give up any important clinical procedure. For example, inserting an intravenous cannula. You need to know what is the key skills, key nursing skills, which are all has to be formulated while performing that procedure. You'll be having real-time learning with the important simulation-based nursing videos. Like the procedures will be taught by our expert in the video form, so that you can able to see the video and analyze each and every concept, right? Next, we have topper talk session, which is going to be again the motivating factor for you, so that people will start to tell you about what is their struggles, what are the strategies they used in the preparation. Everything will be shared live with you people, so that you will feel motivated, and when you want to interact with them, you can also interact with them, right? So this is all about the bonus content. And what is the subject wise approach you have to follow in this examination? So first is you have to give the CPAT, that is your comprehensive pre-assessment test. As I said, you have to analyze where you are. Next, you followed by you have to go for the main video plus Masterstroke Volume 1 book. Okay, you have to watch the Mastermind lectures and you have to go and read it theoretically with the Mastermind Volume 1 book. Next, you have to come to the test and discussion one-liner revision videos. As I said you, before going for the test and discussion videos, give a quick review of the golden point discussion videos, that is one-liner videos of the test and discussion. Next, you have to go through the Masterstroke Volume 3. This test and discussion golden point video on Masterstroke Volume 3 is always integrated, right? So that you have to watch the videos and have the quick review in the book. Next, you have CSAT test plus Mastermind Volume 2 book. As I said, you have to give the comprehensive subject assessment test, followed by you are going to practice the MCQs from the Masterstroke Volume 2 book, where you're going to learn all the MCQs. Next, you're going to watch the test and discussion videos, which is powered by your comprehensive subject assessment test, and you're going to come, once the exam is going to approach, you're going to get the fast track lectures in the recorded form. You're going to watch the fast track lectures, and the NORCET Summit Revision Set 3 will be activated, and everything will be going synchronously. In between, you will be having the bonus content session, where you will be having weekly live sessions with me and weekly bonus sessions, surprise test. Everything will be happening in and between your plan. So this is the approach you have to go while preparing for the subject wise. So next, I'm going to show you in short form what are all the things available inside each component. So this is the micro TOC. This is the information of the recorded lectures which is available for English. For example, for applied anatomy and physiology, the recorded lectures of the mastermind, Dr. Srikanth Verma, 77 hours is there. So you can explore the plan and you can start studying for the examination. So these are the details of the number of hours, and these are the respective mastermind faculties. Next. So this is the revised content. As I said, 50% of the content is revised. These are the subjects which is revised, as I said, and the faculties who have recorded the additional lectures. And next we have the conceptual learning element. Okay, this is the detail regarding your CSAT and when your CSAT will be available. The most important thing, element 3, the conceptual practice, what is available inside the QBank. So here you can explore for each and every subject, how many number of tests is there and how many number of questions will be there in each test. So as a whole, you can come and see you have around 15,460 MCQs under your Plan QBank. So this Plan QBank is exclusively free for you when you are subscribing Plan C plus English edition, right? So this 15,460 MCQs NORCET will have some other MCQs which is not from this 15,460 MCQs? Definitely not. Every MCQ is going to be coming from these particular pool only. It is the thing like how you use the plan effectively. All the resources are there with you, which means maximal resources is there with you. The thing is how effectively you use it, right? So here I am there for you to guide you day by day of how to use this resources effectively, right? So next we have monthly test series. As I said you, this is the detail of monthly test series. For example, in the month of May, you have the test on graph. For example, graphs means it is not only for one subject. Graphs will be from biochemistry, graphs will be from respiratory system, graphs will be from nursing research, right? It's like pulling all the important questions, all the important possible questions which can come in the graph form. The CTG is in the graph form. So integrating all these questions, you will be having a mini test, periodical mini test. So it will be having 20 MCQs, you will be approaching that 20 MCQs so that you'll be having a very good knowledge remembering capacity, which means these topics are curated from the high yield topics, which means what are the possible topics which will be definitely asked in the examination. These topic lists are prepared based on that, right? So next, these are the other tests we have. We have evaluation test, comprehensive pre-assessment test, we have topic assessment test, and this is the details of your TAT. As I said you, topic assessment test, once you complete the mastermind lecture of pediatrics, day 1 you are completely studying pediatrics, then you have to come and give TAT 1. So that you will be having a very close correlation with what you study and what you practice, so that you will know whether I studied it in an optimal level or not. So this is the detail of your number of TATs which is available and number of questions in each TAT. And you have around 80 topic assessment tests, which is very, very effective. This is going to effectively strengthen your preparation. And 80 topic assessment test, and you're going to have 2,400 MCQs in this 80 topic assessment test. I'm just telling you, children, like, you have to know each and every MCQs which is coming from NNL, or quality MCQs or scientific MCQs which are error free. They are curated by top faculties and subject experts, where they are coming from an actual exam pattern. So these MCQs will add more value to your preparation, so you have to utilize it to the maximal extent, right? So next, I said as you have comprehensive subject assessment test, we have 1,500 MCQs integrating all the subjects. Like, we have 15 comprehensive subject assessment test, which includes your 1,500 MCQs. So this is the detail of your comprehensive subject assessment test, and this is the number of questions available in each test and 1,500 MCQs, right? Yes. So next, comprehensive evaluation test. As I said you, this is the details of comprehensive evaluation test, CET 1, 2 and 3. As I said you, CET is integrated with other subjects, right? For example, in first test, we have integrated anatomy and physiology, biochemistry, nutrition, microbiology, pathology and genetics. 160 MCQs integrated, and you will be giving the test. So you will be analyzing yourself subject wise in the correlated integrated format, right? This is the details of CET. And next we have Super 50. This is the small bifurcation of what is actually inside Super 50. First, you have to know it is divided into part A and part B. The first 30 tests, that is daily live test. It is not preloaded. It is not at all preloaded. These tests will be released live, so that you will be having an alarm to give that test daily, right? So mini test, 10 mini tests you will be having, grand test 10 you will be having, SBT, that is scenario based test. The scenario based MCQs analysis is also getting higher day by day. The approach of the exam is getting different. They are integrating more clinical based MCQs, they are integrating more scenario based MCQs. So we are in the position where we have to add these values to the plan, right? These values to the test series. So we have exclusive scenario based test series, 2 test series, system wise test 6, and we have image based questions. As I said you, the trend of image based question is also increasing. So we have special image based question test series also. Next, at last, when the NORCET examination is approaching nearer, you will be having exclusive test, that is 20 test, which is preloaded. That is your national NNSAT, that is your national NORCET subject skill assessment test. You have 10 in number, and CSAT, as I said you, it is 13 in number, which is covering 1,500 MCQs. As I said you, the fast track sessions will be in the recorded form. You will be having 200 plus hours of fast track lectures, and this is the details of the fast track lectures, like how many days you will be covering the fast track lectures and how many hours you will be having this fast track lectures. Next, we have NORCET Summit. As I said you, NORCET Summit is a recall session where they will be discussing about the previous year papers. So this is the details of this NORCET Summit, like who will be taking care of each and every NORCET Summit, right? So next, we have the next table, that is 5 plus hours of mega IBQ session. This mega IBQ session is exclusively by our mastermind faculty, Ms. Sabina ma'am, who is going to teach you all the important image based questions which will be possibly asked in your examination. So this session will be by our Sabina ma'am. So next is Chalo Milekar Padhen session. This is the detail of subjects of Chalo Milekar Padhen. This is the fast track session which is going to strengthen your preparation. So this is the details of that. Next we have clinical based questions. As I said you, the increase in trend of clinical based questions and scenario based questions is increasing. It is very important to integrate these things also. So as I said you will be having clinical based MCQ discussion sessions. Under each subjects you have two hours of clinical based MCQ session, which is going to increase your skill to approach clinical based MCQs, right? So next you're going to see the study plan. What is the self study plan if you are approaching NORCET 9.0? So if you are approaching NORCET 9.0, this will be your short term plan. Okay, your short term plan or effective plan to start your preparation. You don't know when to start and where to start. This will help you to know how you have to start your preparation with Plan C Plus English Platinum Edition. So first and foremost, you have to see, like, we are in the month of May, right? So this is why I am launching this video in this time, so that it will give more value to you people, right? So you have to, the target one, first you have to start from May to June. You have to concentrate on pediatric nursing, OBG and pharmacology. What strategy you have to use? First you have to watch the mastermind lectures, followed by you have to practice the MCQs from the QBank respective to that particular subject, and you have to study Masterstroke Volume 1. As I said you, that is an exclusive theoretical book. Next you have to watch the test and discussion videos, and you have to give the CSAT, that is the comprehensive subject assessment test, and you have to watch the test and discussion videos and the golden point revision videos. The same approach you have to do for all the subjects. So in May and June you're covering 3 subjects, that is pediatric nursing, OBG and pharmacology. In target 2 you're coming up to June to July, where you are exclusively giving high importance to medicine and surgery. So these are the major subject where you are going to get 50% of the MCQs from this subject, right? So same approach, like starting with the mastermind lectures, then going with the QBank practice of MCQs and giving up the CSAT and integrating and learning with the Masterstroke Volume 1 and giving the CSAT and giving the test and discussion videos. Next you're going to concentrate in July to August, you're going to concentrate on nursing foundation, mental health nursing and community health nursing. So same approach, mastermind lectures, QBank, Masterstroke Volume 1, and then you're coming with the test and discussion videos. So at the month of August and September, we are giving importance to the minor subjects, that is anatomy and physiology, biochemistry and nutrition, microbiology, pathology and genetics, and nursing research. Next, when the exam is going to approach, you will be having exclusive fast track session, which is in the recorded form by our team of subject experts, right? So this is how you're going to prepare when you're going to initially start your preparation for NORCET 9.0 with your Plan C Plus English Edition. So here we came to the end of this video, dear children. I hope I have given a great insight about what is under Plan C Plus English Edition. I think when you are a person from South India where to subscribe NNL plan, language is the only barrier. When you feel like the lectures are in English, the one-stop solution for this is your Plan C Plus English Edition, where all the lectures are going to be exclusively in English language, so that there is no language barrier in learning. We have break that barrier, and this plan is exclusively for you, the audience, the English audience who want the lectures of NNL Mastermind faculties in English. This video is for you and this plan is for you, right? I hope I have given a great insight about Plan C Plus English Edition, and thank you so much for watching Bio Batch Mentor. Thank you.